Hi guys, here is another quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial video. In this video, my client had one small request where she wanted me to remove the shruti or the drone sound when the MC was speaking. It's a Carnatic classical violin concert, and most of the music concerts have drone as a reference frequency or the pitch for the artist, so they can maintain their voice or the instrument to that pitch. So if you listen to this audio, you can see clearly here there is a background drone sound coming.
Without further delay, let's get started with today's program. Let me give you a quick run-through of today's power-packed.
So to fix that, DaVinci has a very easy one-click method. Let me show you the option. It's called voice isolation. Let me play the audio and then I can show you how this changes. Right? So that's the audio.
Without further delay, let's get started with today's program. Let me give you a quick run-through of today's power-packed performance. The concert will begin with an opening section. This includes invocatory pieces.
And the good thing is it does give you flexibility to adjust how much you want to suppress, because sometimes it may suppress a lot more of the original audio. So it gives you the flexibility to adjust. You can see
traditional songs seeking blessings from various deities and a varnam. The varnam is a technical showcase and a warm.
And if you click on this I button, it gives you a visual reference, and this way also you can adjust
a varnam. The varnam is a technical showcase and a warm-up piece that helps the artist introduce the melodic patterns and prepare for the performance.
That's all I wanted to show you. Say, quick way to clean most of the background noise by enabling the AI voice isolation. And I believe this feature is only available in the studio version, so if you don't have a studio version, chances are you may not see this option. Hope this helps.